4-channel dash cam built-in radar sensor. After the car has been completely powered off, it will enter radar parking monitor mode. When the radar does not sense a moving object, the recorder is switched off and does not work. When a moving object is sensed, the radar is immediately notified the recorder to go to power on and enter recording mode. This dash cam is built in 360 radar. All around the car may be sensed by the radar detection. And when the radar starts recording, it is all 4 lenses that will start recording. The 4 lenses dash cam with 360 radar parking monitor can better protect your lovely car all day. The footage of 4 lenses dash cam allows for better reproduction of why the radar was triggered and fewer blind spots. In a 4 lenses dash cam, the left and right cameras are also very important. So many scratching and overtaking happen from the left and right of the car.